Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are visiting here for the first time, hi there, I post easy DIY nail art ideas twice every week. So if you love nail art, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Now let's quickly get into today's nail art tutorial. Start by applying a good quality base coat to protect your nails. Apply green nail polish on your index nail and a dark purple nail polish on your pinky nail, and apply white nail polish on both of your middle as well as ring fingernail. Now using the back side of a pen, I am going to draw some really big dots in purple as well as green color like so. I didn't use the dotting tool because even the biggest dotting tool would not give me as big dots as I needed for this nail art design. Now using a smaller dotting tool, I made 2 white dots on each of those purple dots to show the eyes of the spider. Then after this, I used the smallest dotting tool to create eyeballs of each of those eyes in black color, like so. Then for the green spider faces, I used the black color first to create bigger dots for the eyes, like so. And then after this, to make the eyeballs, again I used the smallest dotting tool and the white color to complete the eyes. Now using a toothpick and black nail polish, I'm going to make few wonky lines like so, to show the legs of the spider. I'm saying wonky lines because the more uneven these lines are, the better, because they are going to make it look even more scary, and that is the look we are trying to achieve for this Halloween nail art. So don't worry if your hand is not stable, just keep going. After this, fill in the gaps by applying tiny purple dots like so. The final step, as always, is to clean your edges and apply a good quality top coat to protect your manicure and help it last for a longer period of time. I had so much fun creating this cute and easy Halloween nail art design, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video too. And if you did, make sure to like this video and also share it with your friends. Do let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see more easy Halloween nail art designs on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next nail art video. Until then, bye!